This machine produces plastic bottles at incredible speed, non-stop every second. Both sides of the steel rotate in opposite directions, creating extreme heat through friction. Without welding, the metal is then pressed together until it becomes one solid piece.
In just seconds, this machine mounts a tire onto a wheel rim with incredible precision. Watch this machine peel tree bark away in seconds, leaving a smooth log ready for the next step. In seconds, this molding machine turns molten plastic into a finished product. This simple idea uses a motorcycle tire to loosen bolts incredibly fast. Watch the precision. This CNC machine shapes metal with incredible accuracy in just seconds. Watch this! A tire gets wrapped neatly in just a few seconds. Watch this precision lathe in action. The metal spins at high speed, while the cutting tool carefully shapes the surface, creating a smooth and perfectly accurate finish in just seconds. This earth auger drills through the ground with ease, creating precise and efficient holes for construction projects.
You know, when you were down, when you were down, when you were down, I made you whole. Is this love just a bad memory?
This CNC machine carves wood with high precision, creating smooth curved patterns and fine details in just seconds.
You know, when you were down, when you were down, when you were down, I made you whole.
Precision in every rotation. This metal finishing machine delivers smooth, clean, and ready-to-use results.
Is this love I see?
precision, woodworking in action. This advanced log cutting machine is engineered to transform raw timber into perfectly sized sections with speed, accuracy, and efficiency. Equipped with a high-performance circular saw blade, it delivers clean, consistent cuts while minimizing material waste. Every movement is designed for maximum productivity, ensuring smooth operation even when processing large diameter logs. From sawmills to furniture production and construction materials, this technology helps manufacturers achieve higher output and superior quality. Strong, reliable, and built for continuous operation, this machine represents the perfect combination of engineering excellence and industrial performance, turning natural timber into valuable products faster, safer, and more efficiently than ever before.